Anthropic's Claude, OpenAI, and Google's Gemini. These three are the main players in the AI field, and each one of them is trying to compete with other in terms of features. And today, ChatGPT also introduced a feature that was already made available by Claude 2 months ago. OpenAI also introduced something like this, and they're calling it Codex Mobile. I got the notification in my ChatGPT app. I clicked on Get Started. Now this is telling me why it can be useful. You can pick up wherever you left. You can always be mobile, always be in the loop, because your phone will be connected. So you can give commands from your mobile phone. You get the idea. So I'll click on Get Started, allow devices to control. Now let's get started. Let's connect my computer with my Android mobile phone, which is always with me. I cannot carry my 16-inch laptop all the time, but I still want to be productive. I want to do, and I want to check what's happening on my computer. Let me go to the Play Store to update my app, because I think the feature would not be available to scan the QR code made available on the computer. So I will simply go to ChatGPT and see if there is any update available. Why ChatGPT is not in the list? Okay, so this is the ChatGPT. If I have the option to scan this, so it is asking me to scan to open Codex in ChatGPT app. Maybe it is asking me to scan from the regular scan QR code on mobile phones. Open link. Okay, so you don't have to open ChatGPT on a mobile phone. You just have to scan the QR code given on your computer using your phone. I've logged in, but it says that timed out. It is timed out again, so I'm not sure. Again, error. Let's open this in browser, maybe because this is an inbuilt browser. And now let's try to log in. Okay, so it is authorizing me. So you learned this. If it is not working inside the inbuilt browser of ChatGPT app, you have to open it in the Google Chrome browser. I think it is now connected. Yes, it is connected. Now it is giving me options that I can select to enable or disable. Keep Mac awake. Keep Mac awake. So obviously this will be awake, because if it is doing some work, it should be awake. Yes, okay. Set up Chrome extension. I want to enable that as well. Install Chrome extension. Okay, so I have installed the Chrome extension on my Google Chrome browser, and it is enabled. I will click on done, and now I have hopefully full access. So I can leave my computer on my desk. So this is a list of all the projects that I'm currently working on. Let me try to have a conversation with Codex on my mobile phone. So I'll ask it to, let's work on V2. And let me open this project on my computer, and you can see that the command was given in the Codex app on my computer. How cool. Now I don't have to worry about being late anywhere, because I can carry my Codex with me. What I love about this is that if I have got 5 or 10 minutes anywhere in between doing something, I can open my Codex and see what I am working on, and I can give it command, get the results, keep the momentum going. Vibe Code is all about momentum, your creativity. You don't block your creativity, because all the heavy work, all the technical work is being done by the AI. This will enable you to do more things better and be more productive. And I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.